one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I am making a chicken tri pasta. It comes out delicious and I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Olive oil, butter, salt, black pepper, baby corn, baby kernels, pasta tricolor, deep roasted sesame dressing, lettuce, 2 chicken breasts, and I am ready to start with this recipe. Let's get started. My water is already boiling. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of table salt, and I am ready to add pasta. They're gonna be al dente. We don't want them extra soft. We want them al dente. We're gonna leave them here for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll see you back when they're ready. My friends, while my pasta is cooking, I'm going to start with my lettuce. I'm gonna dice it in small little squares because I want to combine it with my pasta. This salad is so light, so refreshing, and so tasty. This dressing that I'm using gives it such a delicious flavor that I know that your family and you will enjoy and will love. I'm going to combine my lettuce and my pasta. When my pasta is cold, of course. Okay, I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to reserve it on the side. Let's go see how our pasta is doing. Look how our pasta is doing. It's still a little bit hard. It needs about 3 or 4 more minutes and then it's ready. I'll show you when my pasta is al dente. I have my 2 chicken breasts here and I'm going to cut them in small little squares. My pasta still needs a couple more minutes before it's ready. I'll continue cutting my chicken breast and I'll see you back in a little bit. I have finished cutting my chicken breast. I am ready to put them in the pan and start cooking my chicken breast. I'll see you over there, my friends. I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay, I am ready to add my chicken breast. I'm going to add my salt, my black pepper, and I'm going to cook it in medium-low heat. My pasta is ready. I am ready to remove it from the heat. We're going to remove the hot water. And we are going to leave it here for just a couple minutes to make sure that all the water gets out of our pasta. When our chicken has changed color, it's now almost white, this is the time where we're going to flip it and move it around so we get it all caramelized. It's gonna be here for a couple more minutes. We do not want to overcook our chicken because we want it nice and tender. 3 more minutes and our chicken will be done. See you back. Okay, while our pasta is still hot, we are going to add our dressing. We are going to coat our pasta with this delicious roasted sesame. I'm adding about half a cup of the dressing, and we're gonna mix it very well. We want to coat every single piece of pasta we have here. This smells delicious. We're gonna add our corn and our baby whole corn. Our chicken breast is done. We are ready to add it to our pasta. I am ready to add my chicken to my pasta. Wow, this looks delicious. We are going to incorporate it with our pasta, and I am so ready to taste this delicious pasta. Okay, my friends, I am ready to taste it. I'm ready to put it in my plate, and I'll see you back in a little bit. I wanted to show you from close up how my pasta looks. This looks so delicious and it smells perfect. I am so ready to make my plate. I have my lettuce on this side, which I'm going to combine on my plate. But this looks so delicious. I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends, because I am ready to taste. Done with this pasta. Look how beautiful this looks. This looks delicious. I added some Parmesan cheese and some chili flakes, my salad, and I have joined everything here because this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this pasta came out with all that Parmesan cheese and the chili flakes. Look at this. I wish you were here to taste with me. Excuse me. This dressing, I mean, it's fabulous. All this pasta, the tricolor pasta, with the little corn, kernels and the baby corn. This is just perfection. Excuse me. If you love pasta like I do, you will love this pasta. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay, of course, enjoying my pasta. Bye-bye.